Hi, from DDW 2025. My name is Dr. Mark Pimentel from Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. I'm going to be presenting a number of abstracts through separate videos. This one is about lactulose versus glucose. There are three abstracts I'll be presenting related to a very large nationwide study. This one is by Gabriela Leite as first author. In this study, using the 6,000 patient trial, and the way the study was done is 6,000 patients received a breath test and a questionnaire. Of those, 3,563 patients returned the breath test, and 3,004 completed the breath test. It was good quality and had a symptom questionnaire completed, at least for the 7 cardinal symptoms. What we saw in this breath test study was that more often lactulose was positive as compared to glucose, and this is well known. The second thing, though, was that early in the breath test, glucose was more likely to be positive than later in the breath test. But really importantly, patients with a negative glucose breath test more often had higher diarrhea scores than patients who were negative on lactulose. This is really important because it seems to imply that the glucose breath test is missing patients who are symptomatic and might otherwise be positive if you used the lactulose breath test. But finally, if you're looking for hydrogen sulfide and methane, which is the key to this 3-gas trio smart breath test, it doesn't matter whether you use glucose or lactulose, the results were very similar. On average, we feel that glucose might be missing about 6.2% of patients who could otherwise benefit from a positive test and the resulting treatment. I thank you for your time and attention. I hope this was very helpful.